How to create Manus AI account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I will guide you on how you can create Manus AI account. Now let's get started. First of all, open Manus application on your mobile device. Now over here you can continue with Google, Apple or with your email. For now, I'm gonna continue with my email. Now after that, click on sign up button from the bottom. Over here, type your full name, email and password. Now, after you have typed your full name, email, and password, tap on I am human and complete the CAPTCHA. After you have completed the CAPTCHA, click on Sign Up. After you've clicked on Sign Up, now you will receive a 6-digit verification code that will be directly sent to your email. From there, copy the code and enter the verification. From here, copy the code. Now, go to Manus.ai and enter your verification code. After you have verified your email, now you are good to go. This is how to create a Manus AI account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.